Welcome to the SparkMap map room. Here you can search for data and create maps. The SparkMap map room has thousands of layers available from local, state, and national data sources. First, begin by searching for and selecting the data you want to view on the map. You can search by keyword or browse available data by topic or by source. For example, when browsing by topic, you can drill down to see layers related to crime by clicking the civic-social topic and the crime subtopic. To search by keyword, simply type in a single word or short phrase. For example, I can type in the word broadband and return 134 available layers. Once you've identified the layer or layers you'd like to add to the map, click the checkbox next to the layer name and then click the Add to Map button at the bottom right of the Search Data window. Zoom in or zoom out by using the plus and minus buttons on the left side of the map window. The Home button will return you to the full United States. Use the Enter a Location bar to type in a city, county, or address. Layer information will appear in the legend pane on the right side of the map room. Turn the layer on and off by clicking the Map button. Add labels to the map by clicking the Label button. Modify the transparency or color saturation by dragging the slider left and right. Some layers are available at multiple geographies. Select alternate geographies from the drop-down list when available. Additionally, some layers are available as alternate data types. Select alternate data types from the drop-down list when available. Click the List View button at the top right of the legend to display reference layers. Pre-loaded reference layers include features like highways, county boundaries, and water. Click the Map button to add them to your map. Click a location on the map to get more information. The pop-up that appears will display all metadata associated with the map layer and geography. To add an additional layer to your map, click the Add Data button in the upper left corner. Now you can search for additional layers just like we did at the beginning of the video. Layers in the map room can be reordered by dragging and dropping layers up and down in the legend. Advanced mapping tools are also available by clicking the Tools button at the top of the map window. A Tools pane will appear where the legend just was. Advanced mapping tools include features like Query, Select, Measure, Mask, and Swipe. When you've finished your map, you can share it via a link, email, or social media. You can also export the map as a PNG or PDF. If you have questions about the SparkMap map room or need assistance with the map room, please visit the support page.